Learn and watch students. This will be our topic today. October 11, 2025. Three different measures of central tendency. Mean, median, and mode. All right? Okay, let's focus on topic number one, mean. So we have the example number one. Find the mean of the ages of 9 middle management employees of a certain company. The ages are 53, 45, 59, 48, 54, 46, 51, 58, and 55. So to find the mean, students simply add all the ages or numbers involved. In this case, 9 ages, right? So after adding all the ages or numbers, divide it how many numbers involved. So in this case, 9. So the answer or the mean is 52.11. That's how to solve or finding the mean. Alright? So napakadali. Once na alam mo yung solution or formula, madali lang kunin ang mean. So topic number 2, find the median. So same example, 9 middle management employees of a certain company. So ages are the following. Pareho lang. So ang pag-solve ng median is arrange it in ages or numbers in order, no, from smallest to highest. So in this case, 45, 46, 48, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58, and 59. So after ma-arrange nyo yung numbers or ages, hanapin mo yung middle part. So 9 ito. So ang middle part is nandyan, no, 53. So that's our median. So very easy, no? Ang median. Just find the center after ma-arrange or order yung numbers. So topic number 3, finding or find the mode. Ayan, same example. So may ages tayo, no? So pareho lang. So pwede yan siya i-arrange in order from smallest to highest. So to find the mode, friends or students, hanapin mo yung number na more than 1. So in this case, walang more than 1 or more than 2. So the answer is no answer or no mode. For example, if 54 dalawa, then 55 tatlo, kung sino yung pinakamarami na numbers na nag-appear, yan yung mode. Alright? So, now you know the mean, median, and mode. So, learn from this kasi part ito sa midterm exam nyo next Saturday. Right? Good luck. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.